So I stay there for one night. See you guys.
Sige kasi walang ginawa ko din namin ko yung cellphone. Oo, cellphone yun, lagi nag-uusap yun. So, nasakay ako sa kanya dati. Hindi naman hindi pa yung driver. Wala nangyari. Lagi nagsa-cellphone, nasabi ko mag-usap. Yung kamusap niya, sa tagang mura. Ang ina, tawag ka ng tawag. Nasisi pa. Cellphone yun, cellphone.
Guys, I'm arrived here now in Pasay, guys. So now I'm looking for now in the hotel, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, nice here. Wow. Yeah, that one, guys, that is for the train, guys. There, guys, the hotel, guys. House traffic, guys. Oh my god, look, guys, sleeping. That's the hotel, guys. Rosemary Hotel Redors. Kuya, good afternoon. Hello po. This is my room, guys. Oh, what I thought.
Yung ano, gusto ka nila? Yung may 5 to 0.
Here, the suites. So, this is my room, guys. Super cute because this is a single bed. So, there is the TV, flat screen TV. And here, we have here the, so here the CR, guys. Wow, the mirror. The sink, guys. Yeah, it's complete. Shower curtain. Oh, the shower, guys. Oh, nice. Cute. Yeah, it's cute, guys. And this is the switch. Yeah, it's cute. And here we have light here, guys. Look. Oh, it's new. And they have two water cups for the coffee and the kettle. And also, guys, the telephone. You can use that if you're gonna order the foods or drinks. And the aircon. Oh, the aircon is not open yet. And this is for the clothes if you're hung up, guys. And also this one I don't know how to, okay, here, guys, look. First time. Wow, it's cute, huh? Look at the window, it's nice here. You can see outside. Oh my god. Aray. Oh, okay. Here the open, guys. Oh my god, I close now because it's hot. Oh my god, how to close? Okay, you can see outside. And now I just close back, guys. Oh my god, how to close this? Oh, okay. Left and right, guys. Okay. Wow, cute. And the frame. So, oh, look, that toilet paper. So I can put here the toilet paper. And also here, guys, free Wi-Fi and safeguard. Put here. And one towel, guys, because this is single. Okay, where I put this? Okay, later. And the shampoo, guys. Shampoo and conditioner. And this one, that's how I can put there. That's how, guys. Okay. And look the bed, guys. It's cute. Cute bed. This is the whole bed, guys. So it's cute. Good for one, guys. Wow, heart. I like red. It is not red, guys. But is it okay? Yeah, and comfortable to sleep, guys. It's soft bed, and also the pillows. Hello, guys, good morning. Today I'm going to the airport to meet my boyfriend. Stay tuned, guys. So now I'm here in Terminal 1, guys. Terminal 1, I mean Terminal 3. Oh my god. Wow, nice here, look. Nice here, guys. Look around. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, so nice here. the airplane. Oh guys, you can see the airplane. Oh my God, I'm so nervous, guys, because it's first time here. My legs, it's look like I can't move. Look guys, oh. My legs there. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ay, kumuha pa kayo ng isang ganyan.
Guys, we get inside.
Bababa mo na ito ng gamit. Pati sundalo ka ito.
Okay. Okay na po?
Bababa mo na yan.
Okay, okay.